Yeah, bro.
Oh.
Yeah.
We can. I was supposed to get it cut off, but it was too sick to let it go.
No, but here,
who doesn't have a motorcycle?
Get in there while he's putting his boots on.
I know, I heard that.
I had no idea. Okay. I was just trying to speed up the process.
Seems like
Who's next?
I'm not ready to let it take me for
Who's ready?
They work amazing.
He's trying to speed up the process, but we'll figure it out. We'll get going.
Once we get going, it'll be like clockwork. But we do need to get everybody's boots on before it's their time to shoot.
Damn, those are crispy.
Do you have a photo shoot?
He had that right hand turn though.
No.
He had that right hand turn that he missed.
Yeah, there's no way, dude. And that wasn't even the...
My hair. Crispy boots. Yeah. There you go.
You have to do any more national. They haven't done an MRI of that yet.
You're less worried about that, huh?
Come on, Baylor, do it. Knock him over.
Somebody's got to get a picture of this line down here with all the injured guys.
Everybody hold hands.
3, roll!
Whoa. I'm ready.
We're not going to need bikes anymore.
No more bike? Here. Smile or frown, whatever you want to do. Looking tough.
Corey, you look creepy.
My smile's sore.
And look in here. Good? Okay.
Oh shit.
All right, let's take the ones in front. I want to take a knee. Take a knee in the front.
Get a couple photos too, so when you're done there, just turn the gas off and put her on the ground.
Is that running?
Oh, don't worry about it.
Is it running?
It's running. That's a money shot right there.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with a little goofing off.
It's a behind the scenes stuff anyway, so.
Okay. Everybody looking here? Looking right here? Looking here?
Hold on, wait. We gotta do one thing because our ISDE photos last year went really bad. Half of us were smiling, half of us weren't. So we need to know. Because I looked really pissed off. Granted, I was hungover, but everybody else looked really happy to be there.
Okay, no smile. This one only.
Let's let me delete those and we'll go back and we'll do coordinated.
It's, you know, that's digital. You know, you can take more.
Okay, we need a...
Okay.
Are we straight? Or are we
perfect.
staggered?
We're good. Are we good? Are we balanced?
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Okay, because it looks
Are we
like
straight?
the
Are
back row.
we doing a turn?
Okay.
Straight on.
Everybody looking here, no smile.
Smile.
Oh, no smile. Let's start with no smile. Looking here, no smile. Look at the camera.
Smile now.
Okay. Looking here. Look at the camera. Smile.
Smiling, we're smiling now.
Got it. Okay. Anything else for this group? I got an idea for you, Craig.
Pyramid.
Yeah, I think we need to lift Craig. Hold him in the air.
Woohoo!
Yeah, guys, grab him. Lay him out.
Step on my neck.
Grab onto his mullet. I got
Yeah.
Alright.
All right. Get him up there, higher. Pick him up, guys. Everybody grab something.
Turn around, Jordan.
Yeah. All right, everybody else, looky here. Get close. Get close together. Line up.
Get close,
Get
you guys.
close. I need to see your face. I need to see your face. All right, looky here. Look at the camera. Stop playing with his balls. Look here. Excellent. He's losing consciousness. Oh, that's it. Good game. All right.
Good game, good game.
That's my 20th.
And this lens is like.
Yeah, once it blew out.
First side hill casualty.
I didn't realize how tight that corn was over there.
Around the.
Is that hairy?
Yeah.
That's a bad thing.
Hey, when you went up that rock.
Well, that rain rut caught me too, and I just. I'd be like going and then I would like yank it to turn sideways and zigzag.
Yeah.
Dude, it's blown out.
Yeah, mine was $11.90 a month.
Yeah, so all that money you're
Plus all your other bullshit.
Oh!
No.
Oh.
Get a run.
Oh, dude.
There's literally no rut there anymore.
All you gotta do is pin it. You make your own rut.
Ah.
What'd you say?
So just pin it and make your own rut.
At the beginning?
Anywhere. Everywhere.
Just
Always,
close your eyes and do
on
it
any
like
obstacle.
Wally Farmer. Just pin it.
Close your eyes.
Ooh, oh no, that's
Oh, who's that?
Mills.
Get some.
The first time over here, I thought it was going to go this one.
Oh my God.
It doesn't look that deep
That's
over
a
here.
bad spot.
That's not good.
Yep, sure hurt.
Did you get that? That is amazing.
Wait, he gets the jersey! Guess who's wearing the jersey? I thought he was hooking up this. I was like wheeling up it. Oh my God.
That was.
You know what? That gets stop points.
God.
No, when I'm way faster, you gotta get sketched out to go that way.
Oh!
You missed it?
You should just add your time back on again too. He did?
I'm pretty sure.
Oh, what is going on?
Gas is off.
No.
He reached down.
Reed?
Great.
There he goes.
What was his time?
Whoa, steered. No, I think Craig's got the jacket for his own sled.
It's actually pretty easy.
What?
I thought I was gonna make that turn.
Like you can do.
Oh! Yeah, left line's pretty good.
Oh man, that was close. If she makes it, I'll be very impressed.
Yeah, it's got the speed. Go!
Shit. Pretty sick.
Nice turn.
Right? Missed it. Did he?
Corey, I thought he had it. I got tight under that one.
Almost. might hit the pole.
Oh, whoa.
You missed it. You missed. Yo, no.
Straight down, and it went like there was like the rut, and then there was this like that. I was like, it stopped. Like no,
Yeah. Okay, this is too close.
Laced it. Ouch. go. She's all set.
How late?